Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Real Talk podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're really glad you're here with us today.
On this podcast, we talk about real English,
Not textbook English,
not exam English.
but the kind of English people actually use in real life.
And today's topic is something many English learners feel every single day.
Yes, because a lot of people say, I know the words, but I still don't sound natural.
And if you've ever felt that way, this episode is for you.
Because knowing words and sounding natural are two very different things.
You can have a big vocabulary,
And still sound robotic.
still sound careful.
Still sound uncomfortable.
So today, we're going to talk about why this happens.
And why it's completely normal.
Let's start with a simple truth.
Words alone don't create natural English.
Many learners think, if I learn more vocabulary, I'll sound natural,
But then they learn more words.
and still feel the same.
That's because natural English is not about how many words you know,
It's about how you use them.
and how comfortable you feel while using them.
One big reason English doesn't sound natural is translation.
Yes, translating in your head is a huge problem.
You think in your native language first,
Then you translate into English.
and during that process, everything slows down.
Your pauses get longer,
Your tone becomes careful.
and your speech loses flow.
Natural English feels smooth,
Translation feels heavy.
even if the sentence is correct.
Another reason is trying to sound perfect.
Many learners want to sound advanced.
They avoid simple sentences,
They try to use difficult words.
and that makes everything harder.
Native speakers don't speak difficult English all the time.
They speak simple English naturally.
Simple doesn't mean bad,
Simple means clear.
and clear sounds natural.
Let's look at an example.
Imagine you want to say you're tired.
A learner might say,
I am experiencing a significant level of tiredness today,
correct English.
but not natural.
A natural speaker would say,
I'm really tired today.
simple,
Natural.
comfortable.
Another big issue is fear of silence.
Yes, many learners panic when they pause,
They think silence is bad,
so they rush.
or they fill silence with and nervous sounds.
But natural speakers pause too.
Pauses are normal,
They give your words space.
and space makes speech feel natural.
Another reason English sounds unnatural is memorized sentences.
Yes, learners often memorize perfect sentences.
But real conversations are not perfect.
Real conversations are flexible.
When you memorize, you sound stiff.
When you speak freely, you sound natural.
Natural English is not planned word by word, it's built while speaking.
Another important point is rhythm,
English has a rhythm,
stress,
intonation.
rising and falling sounds.
When learners speak word by word, rhythm disappears.
And without rhythm, English sounds robotic.
Listening helps with rhythm.
Speaking helps even more.
Another reason English sounds unnatural is lack of everyday phrases.
Yes, natural English is full of small phrases.
I think,
You know,
I mean.
kind of. These phrases connect ideas.
Without them, speech feels stiff.
Many learners skip these phrases.
But native speakers use them all the time.
One more thing is confidence in your voice.
Tone matters.
Volume matters.
Breathing matters.
When you're nervous, your voice becomes tight.
Tight voices don't sound natural.
Relaxed voices do.
And relaxation comes with practice.
So, if you know the words but still don't sound natural,
That's not failure.
that's a stage of learning.
And that's a very normal stage.
In the next part, we'll talk about how to sound more natural step by step.
Simple habits.
Real changes.
No pressure.
Just real English. So let's keep going from that point.
We talked about why knowing words is not enough to sound natural.
Now let's talk about what actually helps you sound natural in English.
Because sounding natural is not about changing who you are.
It's about changing small habits.
And those habits are simple.
The first habit is accepting imperfect English.
Yes, natural English is not perfect English.
Native speakers make mistakes.
They stop.
They repeat themselves.
They change sentences in the middle.
And all of that still sounds natural.
Learners often try to speak like a written sentence.
But spoken English is different.
It's messy.
It's flexible.
And that's why it sounds real.
Another powerful habit is thinking in ideas, not sentences.
Yes, instead of planning the whole sentence,
Just think about the idea you want to share.
let the sentence build while you speak.
That's how natural speakers talk.
They don't know the full sentence before they start.
They discover it as they speak.
And that discovery sounds natural.
Another thing that helps is using everyday reactions.
Words like, yeah,
Right.
exactly.
I see.
These small reactions make conversation feel alive.
Without them, English sounds empty.
Natural English is interactive.
It's not a speech.
It's a shared moment.
Another important habit is listening to how sentences connect.
Natural speakers connect ideas softly.
They use and,
So,
but.
very naturally.
Learners sometimes try to be too formal.
That formality makes English sound stiff,
Relaxed English is natural.
and relaxed English feels easy to listen to.
Another key habit is repetition without fear.
Yes, repeating words is normal.
I was tired, really tired.
That repetition adds feeling.
Learners often avoid repetition,
But native speakers use it for emphasis.
and emphasis sounds natural.
Another big change is slowing down your thoughts, not your speech.
When learners slow their speech too much, it sounds unnatural.
Instead, slow your thinking.
Relax your mind.
Let words come easily.
Another powerful habit is speaking out loud when you're alone.
Yes, this is very important.
Talk about your day.
Talk about what you see.
Talk about what you feel.
This trains natural flow.
Natural flow comes from familiarity.
And familiarity comes from repetition.
Another thing that helps is accepting your accent fully.
Your accent is part of your voice.
Fighting it creates tension.
Tension sounds unnatural.
Acceptance creates ease.
Ease sounds natural.
Also, remember that natural English is emotional.
Yes, emotion matters.
Change your tone.
Show interest.
Show surprise.
Flat voices sound unnatural.
Expressive voices sound human.
And human sounds natural.
One more important habit is listening without translating.
Let English into your brain as English.
Don't stop it with your native language.
At first, this feels uncomfortable.
But discomfort means growth.
Over time, your brain adapts.
And adaptation creates natural speech.
Finally, remember this.
You don't need to sound perfect.
You don't need advanced words.
You don't need flawless grammar.
You need comfort.
You need flow.
You need consistency.
If you know the words but don't sound natural yet,
That's okay.
you're closer than you think.
Natural English is built slowly,
Conversation by conversation.
day by day.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
Keep trusting the process.
One day, you'll notice something.
You're not thinking about sounding natural anymore.
You just are.
Thanks for listening to the Real Talk podcast.
We're glad you were here with us today.
Keep practicing real English.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.